I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate ADM-201 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the ADM-201 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. Inline editing updates the field when A. The field is saved/updated. B. When the record is saved/updated. C. When the return key is pressed. D. None of the above. Correct answer A. The field is saved/updated. Explanation. Inline editing updates the field immediately when saved or updated. It doesn't require the full record to be saved. Question 2. Which of the following are not standard objects? A. Opportunities. B. Solutions. C. Job applicants. D. Accounts. E. Campaigns. Correct answer, C. Job applicants. Explanation. Job applicants is a custom object. The rest are standard Salesforce objects. Question 3. Which of the following are part of the Service Cloud offering? A. Opportunities. B. Knowledge. C. Entitlements. D. Campaigns. E. Quotes. Correct answer, B and C. Knowledge. Entitlements. Explanation. Service Cloud includes features like knowledge and entitlements. They help with customer service and case resolution. Question 4. In order to enable multi-currency feature in Salesforce, you must A. Contact Salesforce.com. B. Check the Enable Multi-Currency checkbox in your Chatter profile. C. Operate your business in at least 2 different countries. D. You cannot enable this feature once you've implemented Salesforce. Correct answer B. Check the Enable Multi-Currency checkbox in your Chatter profile. Explanation. Multi-currency is enabled in organization settings, not through Salesforce support. It helps handle multiple currencies. Question 5. Which feature effectively allows you to lock the converted amount on closed opportunities? A. Locale. B. Company profile. C. Multicurrency. D. Advanced currency management. E. None of the above. Correct answer D. Advanced currency management. Explanation. Advanced currency management locks historical exchange rates. This ensures closed opportunities retain accurate amounts. Question 6. Which of the following are true about list views? A. Save list views for future use. B. Specify which groups of users have access to the list view. C. Print list views. D. Follow records and view related Chatter posts. E. Export list view data to Excel. F. All of the above. Correct answer A, B, and C. Save list views for future use. Specify which groups of users have access to the list view. Print list views. Explanation. List views allow saving, sharing, and printing. Export and Chatter features are not part of list views. Question 7. Which report type provides a simple list of data with no subtotals? A. Matrix. B. Summary. C. Tabular. D. Custom. E. Standard. Correct answer, C. Tabular. Explanation. Tabular reports show raw data in rows. They don't provide grouping or subtotals. Question 8. Which of the following is not a standard profile? A. System Administrator. B. Read Only. C. Marketing Director. D. Partner Portal User. E. Standard Administrator. Correct answer B, C, and E. Read Only, Marketing Director, Standard Administrator. Explanation. Read Only and Partner Portal are standard, while Marketing Director and Standard Administrator are custom. Question 9. Where can a system administrator go if they are trying to determine why a user cannot log into Salesforce? Choose all that apply. A. The login history related list on the user's record. B. The user's profile. C. Manage users, login history. D. Call Salesforce.com support. Correct answer A and C. The login history related list on the user's record. Manage users, login history. Explanation. Login history in the user record and org level login history show failure reasons. Support is not the first step. Question 10. What should a system administrator use to disable an application for a group of users? A. Sharing rules. B. Web tabs. C. Page layouts. D. Profiles. E. Roles. Correct answer D. Profiles. Explanation. Profiles control which apps users can access. Removing app permissions restricts access. Question 11. To prevent a user from logging into the Salesforce org outside normal business hours, the system administrator would do this in A. The user record. B. The user's profile record. C. Network settings. D. The role hierarchy. E. None of the above. Correct answer B. The user's profile record. Explanation. Login hours are controlled at the profile level. This restricts access outside business hours. Question 12. If a user tries to log in outside the IP range specified in their profile, the result will be A. They will be logged in as normal. B. They will have to reset their password. C. They will be prompted to activate their computer. D. They will be denied access. E. None of the above. Correct answer D. They will be denied access. Explanati. On if outside the profile IP range, login is blocked. The user cannot access Salesforce. Question 13. When a user logs in the first time to Salesforce, the following takes place. Check all that apply. A. A cookie is placed in their browser. B. Pop-ups are automatically disabled. C. Their IP address is added to a trusted list. D. They are prompted to answer a security question. Correct answer A and D. A cookie is placed in their browser. They are prompted to answer a security question. Explanation. Salesforce sets a browser cookie and prompts security questions for first logins. Question 14. The system administrator needs to prevent telesales teams from logging into Salesforce outside of the office. How will he/she do this? A. There is no way to do this. B. Setup, security controls, network access, and specify the team's range of IP addresses. C. Add the range of IP addresses to the team's profiles. D. Contact Salesforce.com as this feature must be enabled. Correct answer C. Add the range of IP addresses to the team's profiles. Explanation. IP restrictions are applied via user profiles. This ensures login is only allowed from Office IPs. Question 15. Used to set the default levels of access for users to records they do not own. A. Organization-wide defaults. B. Roles hierarchy. C. Profiles. D. Sharing rules. E. Manual sharing. Correct answer A. Organization-wide defaults. Explanation. OWD defines baseline record access. It controls visibility for users who don't own records. Question 16. If a user has public read-only access to records that he/she does not own, the following are true. A. The user can view the record but not edit it. B. The user can view and delete the record, but not edit it. C. The user can change the owner of the record. D. The user can search for the record. E. The user can report on the record. Correct answer A, D, and E. The user can view the record but not edit it. The user can search for the record. The user can report on the record. Explanation. Read-only allows viewing, searching, and reporting. Editing, deleting, or changing ownership is not possible. Question 17. If there are any users in the organization that shouldn't have view access to account records, the OWD for accounts should be set to A. Public read-only. B. Public read-write transfer. C. Private. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. Private. Explanation. Setting accounts to private ensures restricted visibility. Only owners and granted users can view. Question 18. In a private sharing model, the following can be used when role hierarchy alone isn't sufficient when providing record access to users. Choose all that apply. A. Forecasting. B. Sharing rules. C. Manual sharing. D. Teams, account, sales, and case. E. Apex triggers. Correct answer B, C, and D. Sharing rules. Manual sharing. Teams, account, sales, and case. Explanation. Sharing rules, manual sharing, and teams extend access beyond hierarchy. Forecasting doesn't provide access. Question 19. Which of the following can be used to create a backup of data from Salesforce? A. Weekly data export. B. Data loader. C. Import wizard. D. Reports. E. Dashboards. Correct answer A, B, and D. Weekly data export. Data loader. Reports. Explanation. Weekly export, data loader, and reports allow backups. Import wizard and dashboards are not used for backups. Question 20. Sales reps at AW Computing need assistance from product managers when selling certain products. Product managers do not have access to opportunities but need to gain access when assisting on a specific deal. How can the system administrator accomplish this? A. Notify the product manager using opportunity update reminders. B. Use similar opportunities to show opportunities related to the product manager. C. Enable account teams and allow users to add the product manager. D. Enable sales teams and allow users to add the product manager. Correct answer D. Enable sales teams and allow users to add the product manager. Explanation. Sales teams allow adding extra members to opportunities. This provides product managers access when needed. Question 21. Who can manually share records? A. The record owner. B. The record owner's manager. C. The record owner's manager's manager. D. The system administrator. E. All of the above. F. None of the above. Correct answer E. All of the above. Explanation. Record owner, their managers, and admins can manually share. Multiple levels of access are supported. Question 22. If field level security prevents a user from viewing the credit card field on the opportunity record, the user will also be prevented from seeing this field. Choose all that apply. A. In a related list. B. In search results. C. In reports. D. In list views. E. All of the above. F. None of the above. Correct answer E. All of the above. Explanation. Field level security applies everywhere. The restricted field won't appear in searches, reports, or lists. Question 23. The following can be done by a system admin to a standard field. A. Change the field label. B. Add help text. C. Add/edit values of a pick list. D. Delete the field. E. All of the above. F. None of the above. Correct answer A, B, and C. Change the field label. Add help text. Add/edit values of a pick list. Explanation. Standard fields can be relabeled, documented, or have pick list values modified. They cannot be deleted. Question 24. AW Computing needs to track the manufacturer and model for specific computers and laptops. How can the system administrator ensure that manufacturer selected influences the values available for model? A. Create a multi-select picklist field that includes both manufacturers and models. B. Create a lookup field from the manufacturer object to the model object. C. Create a manufacturer field as a controlling picklist and the model as a dependent picklist. D. Create a manufacturer field as the dependent picklist and the model as the controlling picklist. Correct answer, C. Create a manufacturer field as a controlling picklist and the model as a dependent picklist. Explanation. Dependent picklists allow conditional values. The model options depend on the selected manufacturer. Question 25. Which of the following are true about formula fields? A. They are read-only. B. They will not display on record edit pages. C. They will not display on record detail pages. D. They are not searchable. E. They will not display on reports. Correct answer A, B, and D. They are read-only. They will not display on record edit pages. They are not searchable. Explanation. Formula fields are calculated, so they're read-only, not searchable, and don't appear on edit pages. Question 26. Which of the following objects support business processes? A. Cases. B. Opportunities. C. Campaigns. D. Knowledge. Correct answer A and B. Cases. Opportunities. Explanation. Cases and opportunities support business processes. They allow defined stages and workflows. Question 27. What should a system administrator consider before importing a set of records into Salesforce? A. The import file should include a record owner for each record. B. Validation rules are not triggered when importing data using the import wizard. C. Data should be deduplicated in the import file prior to import. D. Currency field values will default to the personal currency of the record owner. Correct answer A and C. The import file should include a record owner for each record. Data should be deduplicated in the import file prior to import. Explanation. Always assign record owners and clean duplicates before importing. This ensures data accuracy. Question 28. The system administrator has been asked to create a way to track shipments of products to customers. Shipments should be closely tied to the opportunity record, and there may be more than one shipment record per opportunity, and the opportunity should be required, i.e., users cannot save a shipment record without associating it to an opportunity. The system administrator should create A. A cross-object formula displaying opportunity ID on the shipment record. B. A master detail relationship on the shipment object to the opportunity object. C. A lookup relationship on the opportunity object to the shipment object. D. A lookup relationship with a lookup filter from opportunity to shipment. Correct answer B. A master detail relationship on the shipment object to the opportunity object. Explanation. A master detail relationship enforces parent-child linkage. It ensures shipments cannot exist without opportunities. Question 29. In order to update records using the data loader, what field must be present in the CSV file? A. Owner. B. Salesforce ID. C. Record owner. D. Object name. Correct answer B. Salesforce ID. Explanation. Salesforce IDs uniquely identify records. They're required for updates using data loader. Question 30. You will need a security token to access Salesforce via choose all that apply. A. Import wizard. B. Data loader. C. Salesforce for Outlook. D. All of the above. Correct answer B and C. Data loader. Salesforce for Outlook. Explanation. Security tokens are required for external tools like Data Loader and Outlook. Import Wizard does not need one. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.